Another mukbang. So yes, this is another beauty platform, but this is BzzAgent. This I know what I received. So let me open it up. Okay. They had a lot of campaigns going on, but I just chose. I'm more selective now. Whenever I choose gifted products. So let's see. This was from Elf Cosmetics. You know what? I like that brand a lot. Okay, so ta-da! They sent me their H2O Proof Inkwell Eyeliner. They were also giving out the lip oils. That's what I was really excited to try. But I said I chose like all the options they had. I was like, Elf, anything, sure, like just give me anything. Their brow product that I love, that I was like, man, I wish they sent me this one because I'm running out. I was like, but it's fine. This is eyeliner. Okay, yeah, liquid eyeliner. This one's waterproof and smudge resistant. I haven't tried this one. I've tried their liquid eyeliners before, but not this one. And this is in the shade Film Noir. I think it's French, but it looks tiny. It's so small. It's cute. So let's see how it looks. Yeah, it's so tiny and sleek. It's so cute. Okay, so let's see the wand. Yeah, it's tiny too. Okay, let me swatch it. It's so pigmented and soft. Like, I just swiped it. Okay, I wonder if it's gonna be cracky or not, but first impression looks very nice. Okay, so I don't know the price. I'll put it here, but their liquid eyeliner that I've tried, not this one, it was pretty nice. Just have to reapply a little bit more. What else? I don't know. It's been a long time since I've tried Elf eyeliner. So in case you're interested in joining BzzAgent, it's free. You just sign up and you check your email, and they send out free invitations of different brands, and you have to be quick with them. So quickly answer all the questions they ask, and then you wait until they send you another email confirming that you've been accepted, because they don't accept everyone. It's kind of like influencer. Like, you apply the surveys, but they don't choose you on everything, you know. And it's fine. Like, it's a cool, easy way to receive free makeup, free PR if you don't know how to get those makeup opportunities. So that's one way, easy way, that you don't even have to be like a big content creator, influencer, and all that. But yeah, and this is free. This is not paid. Okay, but it's still like, it's still great. Like, I don't wear hair, but after you receive these products, you do have to write a review on their platform or wherever they ask you, and it's basically the same as influencer. So most people know influencer, but they don't really know this one, but it's pretty much the same. So yeah, just join. It's easy. It's nice. This month in December, they said they're gonna have a lot of invites, so take opportunity and start your account now. Okay, because throughout the year they don't really have a lot of invites, and maybe a few, and then I didn't even accept all of them because, or I'm late, I forget it, and it says, oh, it's already like over, so we can't choose you. So I don't know, it's just a mini intro of what it is. I've talked about it in other videos, but not everybody like is gonna go through all of my videos, so I tend to repeat certain things, you know what I'm saying? Okay, so yeah, this is all this says basically. Email, try the product, review, all that. Okay, and yeah, that's pretty much it. Thank you so much, BzzAgent and Elf, for choosing me to review this one. right now I'm not gonna apply the eyeliner. I don't have makeup on. And I'm thinking of using like an acne patch right now, and I don't know why I'm breaking out, but I have a little bit of eczema on my forehead. And oh yeah, I'm wearing my Christmas. It's December 3rd, so I'm like trying to get my December stuff going on. My accessories, you know. I'm gonna try and do makeup, this at least one holiday makeup look tutorial. I don't know, we'll see. It's exciting. Okay. So yeah, bye. It's just super fun quick video. Okay, yeah, bye, take care.